Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Squarespace to N8N step by step. So step 1, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to the Settings tab. Step 2, click on Developer API Keys and create a new API key for integration. Step 3, copy the API key and store it securely. Step 4, open your N8N and create a new workflow. Step 5. Add an HTTP request node and configure it with Squarespace API endpoint. Step 6. Paste the API key into the authorization headers. Step 7. Test the request to ensure that N8N can pull data from your Squarespace site. Step 8. Add more nodes depending on what automation you want, like syncing form data or blog posts. Now you have successfully linked Squarespace with N8N for custom automation. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.